of the most fun things I've done with the new MidJourney feature, Omni Reference, is take an object, like a figurine or something, and put it into real-world situations and scenes. First, if you want to know more about how to use and how Omni Reference works, please check out my longer deep dive video, which will be in the description below. So here I have a Funko Pop doll of the character Cara Dune, played by Gina Carano from The Mandalorian. And this is what I was going to put into those real-world situations and scenes. So in fact, I had so much fun that I posted a bunch of them to my X account already. You can follow me there, if you'd like, at the link on the screen. Because I made so many of them, I'm going to just show a bunch of them really quick, but I'll have the prompt on the screen, and I think you'll be surprised by how simple the prompts are to get such good results. Anyway, here we go. First, here's her on a bike path in Venice Beach, California. Here she is walking along the shoreline in Huntington Beach, California. And here she is on the Huntington Beach Pier. Time for her to go skiing on Mammoth Mountain, California. Up for a bit of relaxation with a margarita on a tropical beach. Standing on top of Half Dome in Yosemite National Park. Though, yes, she's standing somewhere else with it in the background. Half Dome was easy, so time to hike up to Mount Everest. These are supposed to be the steps of Rome, but they seem more like just any steps that might be in Rome. Obviously, this is the Golden Gate Bridge between San Francisco and Marin, California. I wanted to see if I could get her to do that fake shot that so many people do as they hold up the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but to no avail. I really like the nighttime ambience of these, but I wanted her to be the actual gondolier. Sadly, only one of them actually gave her the Remo instead of regular paddles. And time for a picnic in front of some weird radio antenna type looking thing. Almost forgot these. I did a bit of a pirate theme setup, but basically she's just on a pirate ship or near one. And then I ended it with the most simple prompt possible for her. She is her. And as simple as they are, I love them. After Cara Dune, I received a request to do the same thing, but with this guy. This is the Minecraft Grimace Toy for the McDonald's Happy Meal. Being that he doesn't really have a body, I figured the results would be either, I don't know, maybe bad or at least interesting. But I was not disappointed. I started with the Eiffel Tower, but that's when I realized it wanted to transform Minecraft Grimace into the Eiffel Tower itself. Some did, some didn't. I tried putting it on the president's shoulder, but it wouldn't allow it. Something about realistic people and all that stuff. So first, I put him on the podium, and then I put him in the Oval Office. But this was my favorite. The Grimace alien invasion of the White House. And the final is where I thought he looked like a pyramid, so I took him to the pyramids of Giza. As you can see, I think this is a lot of fun. You can easily take any object and put it into any situation, as long as it's not censored. If you have any questions about how to get it to work or something else you'd like to see, please leave a comment below. As always, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Be sure to ring the bell so you are notified when I have any new releases. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.